Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the Unity Stamp unboxing, bagging, and we're doing the March one now. Now, by the time you see this video, I would have gotten my act together, and hopefully you've seen January crafts because I'm behind, and February should be next month. I don't know. You should By the time you see this particular one, we'll be back on track hopefully. So this is March 2024. Love and good vibes, and this is how the it looks. We have some butterflies on a flower along a fence. This little ladybug in this flower. This fluffy cat, sleepy cat, little doggy on dash hound, missing you on um, something about sweet home, cozy, comfy, cozy, no place, family. I'm not sure about this one. And these mushrooms, I really like these mushrooms. I feel like these images are really nice. Nothing to say since I'm not doing snooze it or use it. I can tell you how I really feel ahead of time, right? Yeah, we got one, two, three, four, five. This don't really count. Five images. I think that's how many we got last time too. If you go back to some of the older kits when they were newer company, I think they gave us more images. I don't know. The size is still good. The quality is still pretty decent stuff. So I'm not sure how I can gauge it, but I feel like the images were just a little bit different than they are now. But we got some sentiment says just wanted to say hi, welcome home. I feel like this goes with this little puppy. Kindness is a beautiful thing. Missing you, sending love and good vibes. Hello, friends make the world beautiful. Thank you so much and love. And then the free gift. You know what I said about the free gift. And we'll look at the inspo page as well. So it's a little kitty cat that is cute. I want to say that these hearts. Oh, it's a stencil. This little stencil is very, very pretty. I like it a lot. And so they've used like a scallop arc die. These are probably available somewhere. If you scan this little Unity stamp thing, I think your phone probably can pick it up if I bring it up closer. You may be able to scan this and watch the video. You can scan this and watch the video. You can just type in this code in the URL and watch the video. We're doing this one a little backwards than normal, but they have done this. I love this. I love that. I might have to look for this. And I love what they've done here. This heart isn't real. This heart is not a part of this set, though. So just keep that in mind. It says additional Unity products. Yeah, it says deep. It says dashes and frills heart. It's a die set, and then decal and stitches nesting die set, which is around here. So this is really cool as well. I like this by itself. And it's black and white. It looks really good. And the stamp sizes are pretty decent, I think. This is a big little kitty cat to go there. Because you can put him right outside a window and have rays coming down. And then this. I always worry about these etchy pieces in the stamps. Because sometimes they don't transfer over. And then you have this. This, I don't really consider this to be a picture, image. Even though it's huge, right? It's pretty big. I don't consider it to be that. And then this little dash hound waiting. And then this. Is that a dash hound? I believe it's a dash hound. Wiener dog. No, that's a dash hound. And look. Oh, wow. We get this stencil. Nice. I think that's the decal one. Very cool. These pretty papers. I love these like vintagey paper. It has a shine to it. Can you see? It's like a sheen to it. It looks matte, but it has a sheen to it. And you get this big tag. I'm I'm speechless about this thing. Okay. It says free sample pack of paper, untamed metal. Check out the beautiful selection pack. So is untamed metal. This is new. This is definitely new. Very interesting, but you can scan that and see where it takes you. And we got one little piece of a flat back butterfly charm. A charm. I think it's a little metal. That is cool. Very, very cool. So it doesn't tell you what this is, but it's a stencil, yeah. So that's really cool. The free gifts were free gifting today, yeah. So this is the March 2024 Love and Good Vibe Unity Step Kit. Let me know what you think in the comment section since this is April or May, probably the end of April. Let me know what you think. I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.